Welcome everyone to this world-class presentation covering how to buy a home in Australia. My name is Russell Gard, Managing Director of Floyd Prosperity Finance and Mortgage Brokerage. Buying a home is going to likely be the most significant investment of your entire life. This is why we have carefully designed this presentation to assist you in your home buying journey. Buying a home in Australia can seem like a massive endeavour. That's why our team at Floyd Prosperity are so deeply committed to helping you understand the home buying process. Key factors when buying a home. Let's start off by exploring some key factors when buying a home in Australia. First and foremost, the location of the home should be a big factor that you consider. The location of the home will determine the lifestyle you and your family experience while living at the home. If you have children, you can assess local neighbourhood schools and see if these schools agree with your vision for your child's education. Would you like your child to attend a public, private, or a Catholic school? There may or may not be schools which agree with your family's principles, so it's always important to check which schools are available nearby. If you are single, perhaps you'll want to check how good public transport is for getting in and out of the city with ease. Whether it's a train station or a popular bus route, having an understanding of local public transport schedules will ensure commuting into the city can be done effectively. Next up, we have affordability. Affordability ensures the home purchase price fits your budget, keeping in mind your current expenses. Ensuring the home purchase price is affordable is crucial for your finances, as you absolutely don't want to purchase a property that you cannot afford. Making your home mortgage repayments should complement your budget and not feel like a burden or a drain on your resources. Another important feature to consider is the property's condition. When buying a home, you must absolutely consider the property's physical condition because it will help you to identify potential issues, safety hazards, or needed repairs that can impact the property's livability and safety. Finally, you have to also consider the potential future value growth of the property. The home that you purchase could benefit from new government or private sector investment, such as public transport, schools, medical centres, universities, or shopping malls. These can all add more value to your home in the coming years because, generally speaking, most people want to live in areas with efficient and modern access to important goods and services. Overall, the considerations of buying a home can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right actions and careful thought, it becomes a powerful step towards your dream of home ownership. Steps to buying your home. Let's now outline the steps to start buying your home in Australia. At Floyd Prosperity, we are world-class experts in helping people buy a home using our finance and mortgage brokerage services. For the first step in buying a home, work with Floyd Prosperity to receive an assessment of your current financial position. Once this assessment is complete, we will work with you to set a realistic budget that will support your home loan application. Setting a budget and planning carefully can dramatically increase your chances of getting your mortgage application fully approved. Together, we'll consider how your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities can be used to secure finance for your home purchase. Secondly, work with us to get your loan pre-approval. A loan pre-approval is a conditional approval from a lender, which indicates how much money the lender is willing to lend you for the purpose of buying a home. Although a loan pre-approval is subject to final verification from the lender, there is a tremendous benefit of having a loan pre-approval because it shows both the property seller and real estate agent that you are a serious buyer, and this will significantly strengthen your negotiating position when making offers to buy a property. Thirdly, find your dream home. Research the property market to find properties that match your needs and preferences given your budget and borrowing capacity. Once you find a property that you would like to purchase, you can make an offer for the property and we can begin the purchase application process. Finally, step 4. Complete the home purchase. We handle your finance application and work with the lender to get your loan fully approved. As your accredited finance and mortgage broker, Forward Prosperity is here to guide you through each step of the home buying process to ensure you purchase your home as simply as possible. The importance of long-term planning. Long-term planning is the foundation of home ownership. 3 key points you should consider for the long-term consequences of purchasing a home are: number 1, preparing your finances for future big changes like starting a family or changing your career. Number 2, ensuring affordable repayments which aligns your new home mortgage with your budget, giving you the ability to better handle any future changes in interest rates or your living expenses. And number 3, consider future investments. Work with Forward Prosperity to design investment strategies that will leverage your home equity for future investments in residential property, commercial property, or even your very own business to help you build a strong financial future. When you work with Forward Prosperity, financing your home is a straightforward process. First, we evaluate your borrowing capacity by assessing your income, expenses, and credit score. Then, we identify and propose a range of lenders for your consideration. Once you select a specific home loan, we can lodge your finance application, attain conditional and full approvals, and then set up a property settlement date. Our team will streamline your finance application, and upon your application's full approval, we'll coordinate the settlement date, which is the day you will formally take ownership of the home. As your accredited finance and mortgage broker, Forward Prosperity makes your finance application tailored, adaptive, and most of all, organized. Warnings for working with experts. When buying a home, there are different experts you will need to work with to complete your property purchase. Many of these experts provide specialized services. However, there are a few things you should know in order to manage communication with them effectively. To start off, let's talk about real estate agents. A real estate agent will guide you through property searches, price negotiations, and provide property market insights. A good real estate agent can help you find a home that fits your needs. However, it is important to always remember that the real estate agent actually represents the seller of the property. This means that the real estate agent must and will prioritize the financial benefit of the seller through a higher sale price over your needs and your best interest. It's for this very crucial reason that you should be cautious of any high-pressure sales tactics when negotiating with real estate agents. Next up, the conveyancer. The conveyancer is a legal expert that handles all the legal aspects of the property transfer, including contract reviews, title searches, and settlement processes. Essentially, the conveyancer is a legal expert who make sure the property purchase complies with Australian law. When choosing a conveyancer, make sure your conveyancer has sufficient experience, as failing to review contracts thoroughly can lead to costly issues or delays in the settlement date. And finally, the accountant. Accountants are great for helping you understand tax implications, stamp duty, and financial statements for your home purchase. But although an accountant can help you understand different financial concepts, an accountant is not licensed to provide credit advice, meaning they cannot provide suggestions on the lender or the terms of the credit contract that you should choose to buy your home. By working with these experts, but keeping these warnings in mind, you are better equipped to make informed decisions and secure your dream home. By working with these specialized experts, but keeping these warnings in mind, you are better equipped to make informed decisions and secure your dream home. Choosing Forward Prosperity for Finance. As your managing director and accredited finance broker, I lead a team that offers personalized loan solutions to fit your budget, and we provide ongoing support all the way to when you receive ownership of the home. Not only that, but once your home purchase is complete, our team will be monitoring credit market conditions to ensure you always have effective finances in place. At Forward Prosperity, we are your long-term finance and mortgage broker, and we will be working for you long after you take possession of your home and for any additional properties, assets, or businesses that you would like to purchase in the future. Thank you so much for joining me on this presentation covering how to buy a home in Australia. You've just gained very valuable insights to turn your home ownership dreams into reality. As your managing director of Forward Prosperity, me and my team are dedicated to helping you with every step of the home buying process. Are you ready to purchase your home or investment property? Because if you are, then visit our website at www.forwardprosperity.com to book in your free assessment. Forward Prosperity. Build a strong financial future.